when we left off, I was looking at why this line was going up at an angle like this. Okay? If you take a look, we have to specify our angle in which we're drawing. So if I create a line, an endpoint line, I'm still going to put it at 0.25. All right? And lock that. I'm going to go 10.5 and I'm going to lock it at 0 degrees. That way when I go ahead and place this, you see that it automatically places that line where I need it to be. All right. The alternative is I could unlock all this, create a line endpoint. I know these are going to be vertical. All right. So I could put that at 90 if I wanted, or I could try to get this lined up perfectly plumb like it is there. Plumb or vertical. Yep. All right. I'm going to go ahead and create another line, and I'm going to place it parallel to the other line that was vertical, up like so. Okay, and I'm going to introduce you to another command, which is offset. This line right here, I'm going to offset in the direction of up 8.5 inches, or 8 inches, excuse me. So I'm going to go to X form because I'm transforming something, and I'm going to offset. You see it pops up this bar. I'm going to type in 8.5 inches. I'm going to click this line, and I'm going to click up here to show it the direction I want to go. Okay? Offset is how we can translate or move a line. All right? In this case, I decided to copy it instead of move it. If I moved it, it would move the original. In this case, I want to copy it. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that and check it off. Everything in Mastercam you're going to want to apply. So when I click that apply button, it sets that line to where it needs to be. If you notice these lines up here, I'm extended or overhanging. All right? What do you think I could do to that? I could erase it or trim it. All right? So if I want to edit it, I'm going to go ahead and say edit. Let's trim. What I want to do is trim, break, or extend that line. So I'm going to click on trim, break, extend. And the way trim, break, extend works, if you read my little dialog box up here, it says select the entity you want to trim / extend. So I'm going to select this line, all right, and I'm going to move it up to the point in which I want to trim it, all right, and click on the section I want to trim. Apologize if those colors were hard to see. All right, I'll do it again on this side. I'm still in the command. You notice it says go ahead and select the entity you want to trim. I'm going to select the line, all right, and I'm going to go up here and click above the line to trim it to that point. All right. When I'm done with that command, I can hit my little green check on my ribbon bar to get out of that command, or you could hit escape on the ribbon bar. What we've just created would be a 1/4 inch margin all the way around our paper. All right. The next thing I want to do on this drawing is I want to go ahead and start the top view of this drawing. If you remember, we started the top view on this drawing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a line from the center. All right. And if you look, my center line extends 4 1/4 inches. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say, let's put this at 0 degrees and lock that. And I want to draw it 4.25 inches and lock that. All right. If you see my line shows up here in the green, if I come up and hit my apply, I still stay in the command without exiting out of the command. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is create a circle. I'm going to select create arc, and I want to use a center point arc. The diameter of that first circle is 2.5 inches. So over here, this is diameter, this is radius, which you'll see when you start using the package. I'm going to type in 2.5 inches, lock it, and I want to place that directly on the center. Okay. The other circle inside of that is, sorry, I'll hit apply. The other circle inside of that is 1.5 diameter. So I'll lock that. There we go. And I should be able to place another one directly in there. Apply that. I have my 2 circles drawn. I can go ahead and hit OK. All right.